What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that said, let's take a sip of coffee from my KASPA from my KASPA Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with KASPA. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the 24 hours market performance. Then we'll look at prices in details. And after that, the normal thing, we'll look at my positions, which please, I want you to compare your positions with mine. If you've been following my trades and you're doing the same thing I'm doing, okay? So yeah, again, this thing I know is boring. I know many people don't like to do it, and I know like people like want to skip ahead of it, but guys, this thing is very important to do every day. The reason is because it gives you like a future sight on the trades that we are following. Okay, it lets you know whether you want to take profits, whether you want to add onto your margins, and there's a lot of stuff you can get by looking at the market every day. Okay, I'm different. I'm not like all this bunch of YouTubers, like they tell you one thing and you don't even know if that's what they're doing, and then you call them out. It's like okay, what's going on? And then before you know it, they block you because they block you because you know what, you caught them in their lies. Okay, there's a lot of them out there like that. Yeah. But I'm not that way. You guys already know me. First and foremost on this channel is total transparency, total honesty. Okay, if I tell you I'm opening a trade, there you go, you can see it. If I tell you my trade is closed, there you go, you can see it. If I say I hold KASPA, there you go, you can see it. Everything I hold. Okay, because for me, making this channel is not just to pass time. Exactly, I open up this channel exactly because a lot of you out there, you are letting you are letting these fake people pimp you. They are pimping you. They're telling you, oh, you have to pay me this amount to join my private groups. Private groups that don't make no sense at all. You understand? So yeah, if you're like, okay, you know what? How the big question a lot of people use that they're not asking themselves. This private group that they keep telling people, oh, this private group, this private group that they keep telling people, how come at least once or twice, even like once a week or something, to attract more people to your private group? Is it not that, wouldn't it be a good idea for you to show people your trades? Don't you think so? If your private group was that good, wouldn't it be a good idea to show people your trades, what trades you are in, to show people your portfolio? Like, okay, this is what I'm trading, this is what I have, this is what I don't have. Wouldn't that be a good idea? Instead of coming over here and throw a fictitious trade at people, and only the people that are foolish ones are going to fall for it. And that's something I'm trying to tell you guys. Don't let people pimp you. They are using you as big pimps, taking your money out of you. Me, I'm different. Okay, that's why my trades, they are all live in front of you. I walk my talk. You understand? I put my mouth where my money is, and you guys can see it right in front of in front of you. Okay, so yeah, don't let people pimp your money out of you. If you ask my humble opinion, that $40, that $10, whatever that you are paying these guys to give you these signals, buy the coins on spot. You're gonna see people who 90% of their come on. You're gonna see people who talks too much about a certain coin, but 90% of their portfolio is made of meme coins. They are throwing meme coins in front of you. Not telling you that, you know what, these meme coins are very dangerous. You can lose your portfolio. You can lose your money with this stuff. Instead of throwing coins at you, that these coins, at least, it's not 100% guarantees, but they have a higher percentage to make you more money. Like I said, I talk about KASPA. I'm a KASPA maxi, and I just talk about it. You guys see my cold wallet. My cold wallet, you see how much I have in there. I'll show it to you guys. All my trades, they are right there. You see how much I have, how much I'm running up. Because guess what? When it comes to making money, I believe that the more people you teach how to make money, the more you are going to gain. You understand? Because me showing you how to do this, I'm also teaching myself. And you will be surprised how many things I've learned along the way just by doing this. Versus other people out there that will tell you, you know what, my portfolio is my portfolio is next to Jesus. When the reality, the portfolio don't look that much. You understand? You see a lot of people that do that. You got to pay attention. A couple days ago, you see them talking about when KASPA is pumping. Trust me, you're about to see people now. They jump into the bandwagon. Yeah, KASPA the best. KASPA is doing this. KASPA that. But when KASPA takes a correction, you're about to see them. Oh, you know what? I don't need to make videos about this KASPA anymore because he's not moving. It's not worth it. Oh, sell your KASPA. Do this and that. Pay attention to those kind of. You pay attention to those kind of people, because at the end of the day, like yesterday, a lot of you are going to eat their own words. Those of them who were bashing KASPA, who are bashing Quant. Oh, Quant is not moving. You don't go over there. Don't even look at it. Don't even smell it. They are going to eat their words. And most of it, on top of it, guys, I will just listen. Stay away from those kind of people. Those guys don't want you to progress. They don't want you to gain any money. Stay away from them. Trust me, because like if I'm telling you to invest, or if I'm talking about something that seems juicy and myself I'm not in there, that is a big red flag. That's a big red flag. You know them. They'll come over here and tell you, oh, this is what's happening. This is what's happening. And guess what? Themselves are not in there. And if they are, hey, let us see. I double dare you. Let me look at your portfolio to see the stuff that you've been talking about. Let's go back all your videos, look at them, and then look at your portfolio if it is the same thing. That's what you got to look at. Most of them will promote meme coins to you, or coins that are not even worthless. That are, I mean, how do I say this? They'll promote these worthless coins to you because they already hold a bag on them. They hold a bag, and once you come in, you start putting your money in, you become the exit liquidity. So guys, you better be careful. There are wolves out there with sheep clothing. Better be careful, because the devil wears Prada too. Understand? Be careful with them. They'll be telling, oh, for me to show you what I got, you've got to pay me for it. Make some sense out of it. Doesn't make any sense that for you to show me your portfolio so that I can believe your own words, I have to pay you. Doesn't make any sense that for me to see your portfolio so that I can believe your own words, I have to pay you for it. Does that make any sense? Guys, okay, well, we are all grown. You should be able to spot a scammer from a mile away. These people are scamming your money every month from you. Join my Patreon. Join my this. Join my private group for what? Here we are, guys. My trades are open for you to see. If I was wrong, you will see it. If I was right, you will see it, and you judge me yourselves. My trades are there too for you to see. Judge me yourself. And when you challenge them, guess what? They start using rude language. They start trying to block you away because, hey, you challenged them for something that came out of their own mouths. Anyways, guys, come on, let's go look at the market, because hey, talking about the market, I hate to say it, but hey, I told you so. For weeks now, I've been saying the same thing, and they're like, hey, market is not supposed to be going down. The reason is because everything is oversold. Everything is oversold. It's not supposed to be going down. We don't, you could, I told you guys about how Mexi, guys, Mexi was manipulating the price of KASPA. If you follow the wallets, you will see it. These guys were playing shady. And then the movement got online, because like in Twitter, everybody was talking about like, hey, get your KASPA out of Mexi. Put it somewhere else. Get it out. And what happened? As soon as everybody started moving their KASPA out of Mexi, bam, there you go. Like magic. Bam, price started to move. And look at what KASPA is doing. KASPA is breaking all the resistances at all levels. It is going like a rocket. But anyways, guys, it's not time to celebrate. It's not time to celebrate yet. Okay, we need to have daily candle close above some certain levels for us to really to know that this pump is really going to go forward from here on. Anyways, now let's go look at the crypto market right quick. Again, guys, don't let anybody pimp your unmentionables. Don't follow these fake crypto gurus that they don't even know what they're talking about. They pretend to know, but you can't even see their own portfolio or their trades. Don't follow these people, guys. Don't. Okay, because you are going to, again, all they are going to do is sell you a first-class ticket to Wreck City. That's what they're going to do. And on top of that, they will take your money and tell you thank you for it. That's it. Anyways, now let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Let's go here. Crypto bubbles. I do have it right here. Okay, there. As you can see, the broader market is taking off, but we're not interested in the order market. We're just going to look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey, which are first King KASPA, then Quant, and last but not the least, Jasmine. So KASPA, KAS. Let's go right here. For the past hour, KASPA is up 1%, 12.9% up on the day, 38.5% up on the week. Guys, this is insane. 7.6% up on the month and 67.9% up on the year. We are now sitting at a market cap of $3.77 billion. And look at the trading volume, guys. $481 million for the past 24 hours. Guys, that is insane. So like we go look at Quant, the coin that a lot of people like to hate, QNT. For the past hour, Quant is up 0.24%, 6.1% up on the day, 19.2% up on the week, 0.52% up on the month, and 35.5% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $970.1 million. Okay, and we have a 24 hours of trading volume of $46.8 million. That is like 3 times the normal volume, because it usually sit around that 10-11 million. Now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. We have here for the past hour 0.41% down. On the day, we are up 5.8%. On the week, we are up 31.8% up, and 301% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of 1.07 billion. Guys, the market cap is running. And the trading volume for the past 24 hours is 286.58 million dollars. Guys, this is what I've been telling guys for the longest, that it is, you can't sell this somewhere else, guys. You can't go wrong. Price was getting suppressed. Okay, it was getting suppressed. There was no way I could look at this, and I'm gonna show you something right quick. Okay, on KASPA. That's why I'm telling you that the movement upwards has started. Like everything has reset. Okay, let's go back right quick on my let's go look at trading view. Right, what is my trading view? Right here. Let's go see what the price is doing, because like everything is just playing out the way I told you guys yesterday. I've been telling you guys about this for the longest. Okay, so let's go. Okay, right there. This is something that I've been talking about for the past I don't know. This is, see that, look at that candle. Let me bring out my my arrow right quick. Bring out my arrow, which I need. Come on, go down here. I need my arrow right here. This is the daily candle, KASPA. Look at that strength. I was telling you guys, like, KASPA usually blow up with a lot of strength, and price usually get attracted to the moving average. Okay, look at that. We blew out the resistance at 12.3, blew out the next resistance, okay, at 14.7, and you see that we are now having this resistance on the daily with the moving average. Okay, we're getting rejected. We got rejected all the way around. So we expecting, I'm expecting this thing to at least close above the moving average. Okay, like I said, I still have a problem with the moving ribbon way below the price. Okay, this thing, at least if it can reverse up here and the moving ribbons will be up here, that will give it that momentum that we are looking for. Okay, but regardless, even if we close the price below the moving average, we still have this 12.3, 12.4 support. Okay, because right now we are in there. So let me go on the 1 hour first. I think I started on the higher time frame. 1 hour will do better. Perfect. You see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at the moving ribbon where it is today. So I'm expecting this for at least, we're expecting this, like, you see how we broke all the way out, now came back, got supported by the moving ribbon, okay, and also supported by the resistance, now turn support at 14.7 cents. See, that is what we want to see. So by the time today closes, we want the price to close above this resistance slash support. This is where we want the price to close. So it is actually acting very, very good. But like I said, the only problem I have, look at the moving average, is way too low from where the price is. Okay, so but if we close above this with the moving ribbon right there, that would be great. But if we close below it with the moving average below, that means this price has the potential to fall back up there to around those 12.4 to 12.6. okay, that is something that you got to watch out for. Okay, so now let's look at the 4 hourly. When you go on the 4 hours, let's see what's happening there. Perfect. See, on the 4 hourly, we are also having almost the same dilemma. As you can see, the moving average is way down here, the moving ribbon is way down here, but we still got a couple of hours for the 24 hours to close. So I would like the price to close above this resistance. If it close above this and it is turning into support, that will be very perfect. As you can see, the ribbon is still spreading out, so it will give it chance or time for it to go up there. At least use that as support and price to keep on going upwards. So yeah, guys, it's not going to be a good time for you to enter a long position right now on KASPA. You better wait for the price to do whatever you got to do, because you guys remember, before any trade there is also an after trade. Okay, just wait a little bit. Like I was saying, guys, this is why I was telling you guys to enter a trade when we were all the way back down here, because I was telling you guys the ribbon was curving, okay, and it was turning green, everything else was moving, but because KASPA was showing that significant move. Now we are into a very bullish momentum, and the reason I'm saying this is, let me show you this right quick. See, I go to my Bydfi account, and this, I have the MACD and the RSI, as you can see, on the weekly. Okay, I have them on the weekly right there. So when I have them on the weekly, I want to show you this. Look at the MACD and look at the RSI. They've both flipped bullish. You guys remember a couple of videos ago, I was telling you guys to pay attention to this. They've both flipped bullish. So yeah, we're expecting this guy here to at least start turning green. But for this, the good thing about the entire thing is that you see it has flipped from red to pink, and now we're waiting for it to turn green. But that tells you that this is a very bullish momentum. I don't normally pay attention to the how you call it, to the RSI that much, because the RSI can be in the oversold or overbought area for a long time, but the MACD, this guy here, usually lag behind. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, that you see how it flipped from red to pink. Yeah, KASPA is in for a ride. Is in for a ride. But the move that we just had, okay, that move has to absorb a little bit, you know, have to absorb the impact, and then we have to see what the price is going to do after that. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. QNT, like I said, that's a coin a lot of people love to hate. So if you look at Quant, we're taking the Binance right here. We are on the 4 hourly. I've been telling guys the same thing. Guys, Quant is moving. We got to break that resistance, but as you can see, it did exactly that. Remember I was telling you guys the ribbon was turning green and it was facing upwards? Look, we went, came back, and again I was telling you guys, price usually get attracted to the moving average. Look at that. Price went up, retest, went up again, broke above this moving average. Now we are trading above the support. Now the same thing I was telling you guys about KASPA. Don't sing our glory yet, because now look at how far the moving average and the moving ribbon they are. The good thing about this is that they are facing upwards. Okay, so I'm expecting to see what it did right here, came back, retested it. So I'm expecting it to probably come back down, retest this resistance, turn into support, and keep on going. And by then the ribbon and the moving average should be above it, and that will give it that momentum that it needs. If I go on the 1 hourly, let's go on the 1 hour. Perfect. See, look at that. It's doing exactly like we want. Okay, look at that. It came 1, 2, 3 hours. Yeah, but we still got more time. Okay, still got more time. Let's see if it's going to come back trickling down and then bounce from there. Okay, to give the moving average enough time for it to come up there. Okay, until then, be careful. Don't enter long. I wouldn't enter one if I was you right now. Right now you gotta wait for this price action or this big move up here. Wait for it to cool off and then find an entry. Okay, so that's what we are doing right now. We're just sitting on the sidelines and we're waiting. And I've always told you guys about this. Let me go on the weekly. See, I told you guys, when you go on the weekly, this is just the beginning of a bigger move. It's forming a W. See, first leg up, second leg, now we're starting to go up. We need to break the neckline at $84, $85. Once you break it, the target is up here, guys. All this move you're looking at, the target is up there at $124, $125. But yes, there is other resistances in the middle, because we do have the first of all, that's $65. Then we have the $85, and then we have the $104. After that, there is $110. After that is blue skies. Okay, those are the resistances that you gotta look at. Okay, on Quant, so far so good. Everything is moving according to plan. Okay, so now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Okay, like I told you guys, Jasmine I'm very bullish, but I want to see Jasmine breaking that 2.3 cents. Once Jasmine breaks it and close a daily candle above it, guys, that will be a go time. Okay, and you can see it is playing exactly that. It's playing exactly like that. Okay, so you see, price went again above that resistance. That 2.3 cents went above, got rejected. Okay, right now, like I said, guys, you gotta be careful, because the ribbon is still way below it. Okay, and the moving average also still way below. Right now it looks like Jasmine is getting supported and the ribbon is facing, the moving average is facing upward. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing to come sideways and try again, see if we can break it this time around. So yeah, that is one thing that you gotta look out for Jasmine. If you go out on the 4 hourly, okay, look on the 4 hourly, exactly like I've been talking about. Man, you can't make this up, guy. Look at that. Got up, got rejected on the money. 2.3 cents got rejected. Okay, but hey, like I said, as you can see, the ribbon is going up, moving average is going up. Wait for this to trickle down a little bit, and I'm expecting it to go again and try. So maybe this time is the lucky charm. You never know. So yeah, everything is moving according to plan with Jasmine. Now, another thing, again, like I always tell you guys, look on the weekly. Okay, look on the weekly. This is forming a cup and handle. Because Jasmine, like I said, Jasmine 60 cents, it might be the top. Okay, might be the top for the bull run at 60 cents. But let's wait until to see how their lockup is going to go. There's a lot of bullish news coming out for Jasmine. They're talking about the DD stablecoin using the Japanese money, their currency as pegging to it 1-to-1. You never know. There's a lot of things going on with Jasmine in the background right now. Therefore, yeah, I will not give up. This move that it is trying to start, first target is going to be 4.5 cents. Okay, after 4.5 cents, we have the target of around 11-12 cents. Okay, from that you have that 15 cents, which is in the golden pocket area. Okay, 15 point something cent golden pocket. And then don't forget the 20 cents. Okay, 20 cents, that was a big, if you remember last bull run, there was a big resistance at 20 cents. Okay, thereabout. So yeah, you got to pay attention to this. First of all, the 12 cents, then the 15 cents are the golden pockets. But hey guys, those are prices that I'm looking at. Then I'm looking at 60 cents for the top of the bull run, unless the lockup goes in a different way. Then we'll be talking about $1 or even $2 Jasmine. Okay, now another important thing that guys don't look a lot, they don't check out a lot, guys, you got to look at the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, let me see Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance here. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, that is why you see some of these altcoins starts to go. Not on the weekly, because on the weekly it looks like it's forming its higher high. Let's go on the hourly. See, yesterday the dominance fell like drastically. Bitcoin's dominance fell drastically. Okay, that's why you're looking at all these altcoins starts to go, because sometimes when the dominance go down this much, wow. When it goes down this much, you go like, wow. Yeah, a lot of people still think it's going to bounce back up, but guys, I think it is going to go lower. Okay, because as you can see, we fall. I think this is going to be like come up there, got the moving average, and then jump from there to go a little bit lower. That's my take on it. Okay, anyways, I was just trying to bring this point out for a lot of people who don't pay attention to this. So right there you go, there you have it, guys. Now again, let's go look at my my positions right quick to see how good we are doing. But guys, I will say it again, this time as loud as I can. Please do not leverage trade if you do not have an idea of what you are doing. I would rather you start to buy the coins on spot. Understand? You are not going to make as much money as somebody leverage trading, but yet you will make some good money. So please don't leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. As I usually say, metaphorically, it's a hot ticket to Wreck City. If you don't know, man, they're going to give you the front seat. The front seat to Wreck City if you are leverage trading without knowledge. But anyways, if you are confident and you know what you're doing, guys, down below I do have my Bydfi and Phemex. Those exchanges I recommend for beginners because they let you manipulate your liquidation point. Okay, you can add more money, turn your liquidation point down while maintaining your leverage. Let's say if you are trading at 20x, if you add more money, yeah, you still maintain your 20x, but your liquidation falls down. Other exchanges like Pionex or Margex, they don't let you do that. Okay, they don't let you do that. So I will only recommend more advanced traders to use those. But for beginners, please use Phemex and Bydfi. The links are below. Okay, you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. I really don't care what you do after that, as long as you make money. Okay, so anyways, now let's go look at my trades right quick. First, we start with my Bydfi. Okay, like I said, first thing, you gotta be honest to your viewers. So you guys take a look at my trades, and if you're copying me, compare to see if you are going up, down, or left, right, or whatever you want to say. So like, yeah. Let's go look at this right quick. First, we start with my Bydfi. As you guys can see, I am up today 11,200. Okay, 11,200, which is perfectly good. Looking at the contracts, see that KASPA is going down, retest that support. Like I said, it's happening. Looking at the contracts, my KASPA, wow, look at that. On my KASPA, I am still down, but way better than it was. I'm down 21%, which is $1,000. If you've been following me, you know that I was down almost 75%. So again, don't play like me, guys. I trade, I do remind you of this every day. I trade at 50x. That's why you see my positions move up and down so fast. And as a matter of fact, my liquidation is too low at 8 cents. So I'm not expecting KASPA to go down there. But anyway, now looking at Quant, on Quant, I am just breaking even as we speak. So I'm breaking even. So there's still no gains or no losses. I'm just 1% up, which is $80. Again, I do the same. I trade at 50x. And my liquidation is way down there at $34. Okay, so that's what's going on my Bydfi. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex, let me sign in. Okay, on my Phemex, you see my overall. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Look at my overall. I am up 16,100. You guys remember a couple of days ago, I was down almost $7,000. I am up $16,000. So looking at my contracts, you will see that my Jasmine, I'm almost break even, which is I'm still down 4%, which is $564. On my KASPA, I am still down 18%, which is $1,000. Again, don't play like me if you don't have experience. I trade at 50x. See that? 50x, but my liquidation is way low. That's why I'm not worried about it. On KASPA, it's on Jasmine, it's 0.009. On KASPA, it's 7 cents. So yeah, that is me right there. That's how I play with this one. Now let's go look at my excuse me right quick. Now let's go look at my new trades. You guys know when the market was crashing, for some people, for some people the market was crashing. For me, it was an opportunity, so I went in and opened 2 more trades on my Margex. Okay, so let's go look at those trades on Margex to see how they're doing. So let me open up my Margex right here. There you go. Look at that, beautiful. The first trade, you can see I am up 454%. 454%, which is 4,500. See that? Second trade, the same thing, because for some reason I like to open on Margex, I like to open them in pairs. The second position, the same, 4,500. I'm up 453%. The only one that I opened once is my third trade, which I am up 186%. I'm sorry, 156%, which is 3,100. Okay, thereabout, as you can see right there. And the fourth and the fifth trade, I am up 186%, which is almost $8,000 on each. Okay, so yeah, I told you guys, KASPA doesn't play. KASPA moves different. As you can see, my trades are moving, and they look very, very juicy. I'm trying to keep these trades open as long as I can to the top of the bull run if I can. If not, if I don't get desperate, if I don't get desperate, then I will start closing them. But as you can see, I put my mouth where my money is. Okay, look at that right here. A simple, wow, it just clocked $8,000. I like where this is going. I like that. So there you have it. I put my mouth where my money is. And you're busy trying to follow people that tell you one thing and they are not actually doing it, because how do you know? They don't show you, right? You join their group, and when you complain, they block you out of it. Right? So yeah, that's where you have it. There's money to be made. KASPA right now, guys, you guys are looking at KASPA. 21 cents is going to be the first target. Second target is going to be around that 30 to 35 cents. Now, if the listing starts pouring in, you're looking at $1 KASPA. for one big tier one exchange. If the two of them, like Coinbase and Binance, listed, we're looking at a $2 to $3 KASPA. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so yeah, sit tight, make the money. Like I said, guys, Bitcoin will go up to probably 95,000 before it will take a correction, which is okay. That correction is giving way to the round 5 of this bull market. That's what's happening. Okay, so sit tight, make money, follow the people that really wants you to make money. Okay, guys, transparent people. I follow other YouTubers. The only YouTuber I follow that much is Crypto. That guy is as transparent as they come. So yeah, be careful who you follow out there. There are wolves out there with sheep clothing. They only want to get your money from you and send you to Wreck City while you say thank you to them for doing that. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. I would like to know your opinion about the subject matter, about what we spoke about today. And also share so that other people like you and me with millionaire minds can join the family and we can grow. And at the same time, we can share ideas, because when they comment, I read them, you read them, and we get useful information. Come on. And we get useful information from it. Okay, don't be joining people that they keep bashing a coin and then they come out and say, oh, sorry, I was wrong. But by the time they tell you, sorry, I was wrong, you've lost the money, you've lost the opportunity. That being said, guys, thank you again for watching. Please take good care of yourself until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.